Hey, welcome back, everybody. Derrick Soo, your East Oakland advocate. Well, you see what's behind me? This is a pizza oven, and it's one of the larger ones that are available on the market. This is for a 16-inch diameter pizza, and this is a commercial appliance, and it plugs into the wall, 120 volts, and I can make more than pizza. I'm going to be able to bake. I'm going to be able to do some roasting in here along with making pizzas, buffalo wings, and a lot of different things. I'm going to turn this around so that you can get a good look at it. Okay, there's the brand name. This is a commercial grade pizza oven, and it's 16 inches in diameter, and so it has a light here. That's a real stone that's down on the surface. I'm heating everything up right now, getting everything all burned in. It uses infrared heating elements and can heat up to nearly 700 degrees in here. And it's a nice cooking space. It has an explosion-proof glass window. And it's a nice size. It's a nice countertop size. 16-inch pizzas are nowadays one of the larger pizzas. So this is a really nice oven here. $249. And this is to go into like bars and uh, sports bars, things like that, so that they can make pizzas on demand. And so since I've been making so many, and it costs so much to make pizzas nowadays, I've been spending an average of $35 for a kitchen sink pizza, meaning a pizza with everything, and $35 for 16-inch. So I figured, well, if I bought 10 pizzas, I bought that already, just the oven. So I may as well buy the oven, the biggest one that I could find, and that's what I've done. And like I said, it just plugs into, it's a standard 120. It's a commercial grade, and so this is going to last me a while. And take me a little while to heat up and make some pizzas, but this is going to be nice. Like I said, I haven't had an oven in a really long time. I've had that, a microwave oven. That one also is an air fryer, a convection oven, a broiler. So it does a lot, but it's still not that. So we're going to really get things going here, cooking, be able to really get hold of our food budget. That was the primary reason why I invested in that. $249 is a reasonable investment, especially when you can make a lot more than just pizza with that oven. Thanks for joining me, everybody. We're going to be doing some things with this. You're going to see a lot of videos revolving around this brand new oven. Thanks for joining me today. We'll be right back.